When you hear about an entry-level 3D printer, what do you immediately think of? Just okay print quality? Easy to use, but only offering basic features. Sky-high price if capable of multicolor printing. That's why we need to talk about the Creality Hi. It shatters all the stereotypes. First of all, Creality Hi can be seamlessly paired up with a CFS unit into a powerful combo for hassle-free multicolor printing. In contrast, the Ender 3 V3 of the same price can only achieve multicolor printing with an extra upgrade kit. There is no doubt it gives you more bang for your buck. And Creality Hi is not just about multicolor printing. Ever lost sleep over mid-print filament swaps? Not anymore. The auto filament relay works while you relax. In contrast, Ender 3 V3 still needs your attention for filament swaps. No doubt, I prefer the hands-free experience. Another advantage of the Hi is the advanced toolhead. It integrates the magnetic filament cutter and the runout sensor, reliably handling frequent filament in and out. Whereas the toolhead of Ender 3 V3 is a bit more conventional. The runout sensor is still a standalone module. Then let's talk about the print size. Compared with its peers, Creality Hi's print size is about 25% larger. So it can deliver bigger prints or more small prints in one session. Plus, Creality Hi is the only entry-level printer with a built-in RFID reader. Just scan an RFID filament and it will identify the color and type. So easy! Creality Hi also offers many user-friendly features like the privacy-safe camera, a fold-away screen, an animated boot guide, and more. If you are a beginner, these functions are game changers. And for the geeks, we've got you covered too. Creality Hi unlocks expert mode plus root access and will share the source code. You can hack and customize it by drawing cool ideas from the open source community. This really sets Creality Hi apart. To wrap up, Creality Hi isn't just good, it has unbeatable value. If you are looking for an entry-level 3D printer for your hobby, school, or work, why settle for less? Thousands of creators are already raving about Creality Hi. So get your Creality Hi today.